Hi, my name's Dan, and I'm here with Expert Village today to talk about how to tie a clove hitch when you can get to the end of the stick or pole that you're going to be tying it on. In order to tie it, you want to make two opposing loops, then cross them over and place. You'll know you've tied it right if the two ends are coming out opposing each other. I can tie it again for you. So make one loop simply by twisting, and another loop by twisting the opposite direction. Cross, so you have a circle. The clove hitch is good if you want a loop that won't move, then you can hang something off of this. So that is the clove hitch.